We got a line getting tickets right now.
Yeah, thank you everybody for getting into the raffle. And you can see the bike is plenty of fun. It's good for adults and kids. These bikes are ripsmoto.com. If you don't win, check them out on ripsmoto.com. It's R-I-P-Z. Rips is spelled wrong, dude. It's ripsmoto.com. That's my signature electric bike. Let's do this. Who's pulling the ticket? I am.